Let us solve and answer problem set number 3, rate of simple interest. We will begin with the 5-6 scheme evaluation. Aling Maria borrowed 5,000 pesos from an informal lender. She paid back 6,000 pesos after exactly 1 year. What was the annual simple interest rate she was charged? From this problem, this will show the true cost of the 5-6 scheme. Now let us begin by identifying the given. So this 5,000 pesos is the principal amount. The initial amount borrowed by Aling Maria, and the 6,000 pesos is the future value. Or this is the total amount that Aling Maria paid back after exactly 1 year. So our time is 1 year. What we are looking for is the value of simple interest rate, and let us also get the value of our interest. So to solve this, we will begin by the magic formula of simple interest. We have to use this formula in order to get the formula of rate. We will begin by dividing both sides of the equation so that we can cancel out the principal and the time, isolating the rate on the right side, and simplifying this, we have here interest divided by the principal times time equals R. Rearranging this will be our working formula. Notice that we don't have the value of interest, and this is included in our working formula. So we will also get the value of interest. So this is our working formula. I is equal to the future value minus the principal amount. This is 6,000 pesos minus 5,000 pesos. The interest is 1,000 pesos. So we have the value for the interest, we have the value for the principal, we have the value for time. We are now ready to use this formula. Substituting the values, we have here 1,000 pesos divided by 5,000 pesos times 1. The answer is 0.20, and we will multiply it by 100% because the rate of interest is expressed in percent, and the answer is 20%. So when you say 5-6 scheme, it means you will be charged with 20% interest rate. Problem number 2, the profitable contract. A tile setter completed a job for a client. The client paid 50,000 pesos upfront for materials and labor that cost the tile setter 45,000 pesos. The project was completed in 6 months. If the 5,000 pesos profit is treated as interest on his capital, what simple interest rate did he earn on his investment for the period? So there are multiple numbers, figures, and on this problem, let's begin with the 50,000 pesos. So this 50,000 pesos is the payment of the client. So this payment of the client, this will be our future value. This is the future value. Another number is 45,000 pesos. This is the cost of the tile setter. And this is our principal amount. So this is the principal amount by the tile setter, and the interest is 5,000 pesos. It's very clear that if the 5,000 pesos is treated as interest, our time is 6 months. So our T is 6 over 12, and we can convert this into 1/2 and further simplified as 0.50. What is missing in this problem, or what is asked in this problem, is the simple interest rate. That's why our R is a question mark. So a while ago, we derived this formula. R is equal to interest divided by the principal times time. Looking at our given, we have the value for the interest, we have the value for the principal, and the time. That means we are ready to proceed with our formula. Substituting the values, we have 5,000 pesos divided by 45,000 pesos times 0.50. That will give us the value of R of 0.222. Multiply it by 100%. Our R is 22.22%. Third problem, the coconut seedling investment. A farmer invested 8,000 pesos in a cultivating coconut seedlings. After 3 years, he sold them all for a total of 10,400 pesos. What simple interest rate did her investment yield per year? So this 8,000 pesos on our given, this would be our principal amount. So this is the initial amount invested by the farmer, and this 10,400, this is the total sales, and we will consider this as the future value. And our time is 3 years. And what we're looking for is the simple interest rate. And let us also find the value of the interest. So let's begin by solving the value of the interest using this formula, future value minus the principal amount. So 10,400 pesos minus 8,000 pesos, that gives us an interest of 2,400 pesos. And let us use the formula R is equal to the interest divided by principal times time. We have the value for the interest, principal, and time. Therefore, we are ready to use this formula. Substituting the values, we have here 2,400 pesos divided by 8,000 pesos times 3. That gives us the value of R equals 0.1 times 100%. Therefore, the rate of simple interest is 10%. Kindly solve this. Try these items number 1 and number 2 and comment down your answers below. I hope you learned something today. Bye-bye.